first day on Earth, I fell into your eyes. Look at how our galaxies collide. Every color of the spectrum, every star up in the sky, the planets aligned for you and I've known you since the dawn of time, with twin flames burning bright, and I can't believe that I finally found you here. 'Cause nothing is better than you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun, lay here forever, you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun.
Ya, matulog. Pakayang ko naman tang pakaingatang ke. Kung achoy mana, masigit pa kang mana itang pamagaruga ko. Oh, makayaning kaya ko. Igitang ke pa itang kang mana. Kasi syempre, kumbaga, kana ko depe katiwalay nga na. Makayan. Ini aluwa, eke tuturing aluwa ipi. As in, apo ko niya lang.
It feels unfamiliar.
Eh siyempre, ang saya nga namin lalo na pag kinukuha namin. Kaya pag nakikita ko, tapos binibidyo ng kumari ko. Tapos, yung para bang namimiss na naman, kahit na kakukuha lang, para bang namimiss mo siya lagi.
Ifi, sobra kaganakanganak aya pagaga, halos bala mo, ka ma-stress maningat talaga kayo na ito, matudtud, tapos matutudya, kagising na yaman mangaga, basta nung mo marano, man gumaga.
I think that you're gonna love it. I'm so excited because it's
Yung nandoon man yung parents niya o wala, para bang nandoon na lahat. Kasi pagka nakikita namin, kagaya namin, pagkasama namin sa bahay, masiyahin siya. Saka iba talaga.
Happy birthday, Pia Paula!
Sana dagol yung pa-Diyos, maging masunurin niya ka rin pengari na, o ka rin nga po na, ka rin, hindi, sega na gano, dengdara na, na sana po nagdagol niya. Ina ako kalimuan.
honey, we're the lucky ones. Now we found you like a four-leaf clover.
Masaya, apipil mo tang kahit alalo deng pengari, no? At least kang lola, akakaiming, pasayaming apo mo. Hanggang ikayo mong kayabe na makain.
Always ever in our hearts. I think that you're gonna love it. I'm so excited because it's a beautiful world that's been waiting for you.
Kahit wala dito yung mama at papa mo, andito lang kami ni lola, lolo mo, na laging mag-aasikaso sa'yo hanggang paglaki mo.
That's been waiting for you, my dear. I think that you're gonna love it here.